So Hexus Plus Training is a platform to build learning management systems for commercial and non-commercial use. As part of our learning process, we have something called Mesh Learning, which talks about one of the most effective ways of learning, the whole learning process. Requires you to book in with a learning advisor as part of your learning journey. Even if you're doing pure online, you will learn faster if you have this kind of conversation. So in order to do that, we need to have some level of booking. Now, some people will engage every single day, and you can see that we've got some bookings here on our internal calendar. What we need is externally that data to be placed on a calendar. So when someone does a booking, click on bookings. We've got a number of different bookings here. So you can see this one's got 16. Those 16 bookings should have come to an internal booking calendar for myself and for the person who's done the booking, but also so that the person receiving the booking looks at their calendar and goes, oh, okay, I've got a new booking. The person that's just booked knows when they've just booked. The person who's received the booking doesn't know that. So that's why we need the booking system to operate via the Google Calendar.
So this is our application. Um, when we logged in, we have organization, and each organization has several users, which are basically students. So the owner of the organization, who can go to this visit section, and in visit section we have multiple modules like courses, booking, events, file upload, title, program. So in the booking section, we have booking where a person can book his the consultation. So for example, if I click on this one, I can go to preview section. I can click on preview. It will open it in the preview mode because the URL has a preview section. And the owner of the organization, we have a section here called account bio. So in account bio, we have this Google account, Google signing with Google, where the person, the owner of this machine learning, this organization, what he does is mesh learning and other platforms. We have many platforms which are basically uh, the code is same. We just provide the customer with the opportunity so they can redirect their domains to our platform, and everyone who is logged in can sign in with their Google account. And mesh learning is one of them. We have many other organization as well. So if I go in organization in database, I can go to select account. So we have student.com, which is basically the core main uh, level of domain which we use for our application for our own purposes as a super admin. And then we have some other domains as well. For example, Hexus project, education, so business, basic music, and hexus.com, internetsitesco.uk. So all these platforms, whenever somebody opens these domains, they are redirected to um, our code or our portfolio, this portal. So mesh learning is one of them. As you can see, mesh learning, we log in with this organization. So the person, the owner, which is this one, and when he logs in, he sees the code, his own personal widgets, his own personal account, via his own personal mailbox and admin settings that he can change. And in account bio, we have a section called Google account. So when person clicks on sign in Google, he will be redirected to this OAuth application where we have what he wants to see, and this is we are seeing this because we are our app is being in the uh, it is not being approved by Google right now. So we can like do this, and here we are asking to um, asking edit share Google Calendar with the Google API, so person can get selected and we can click on continue. And the person is giving authorization so that we can edit add events to his Google one. This is my avatar, my account avatar, which is also here. The person can log into Chrome and it shows here, and we can revoke it by revoking the data. We are saving all the uh, details of that person in this table as his Google account. So if I refresh this, you will see that we have a new entry, and here I can see the object that I'm getting from Google site while clicking on Google API like access token or beer token type ID token. Everything we are storing that we are getting back from Google site. So we are saving it and we are using this object only for saving or adding accounts to our Google Calendar. So, for example, this organization, this person has a login, which is me. I have added my Google account. Now, what will happen? Every time somebody uh, uh, book consultation or book a session, which is created by this organization, then uh, that will be added to this person's Google Calendar. So let me show you. So I click on book session. I select a 9 p.m. Of 8 June booking slot. I will click on book. I will be shown here that the email has been sent to this person and the person has been sent. And now this booking has been successful. So if I go to my calendar, so as we have seen, while I booked this one, it was not showing on the Google Calendar because it was in a preview mode, and as per the code, we have set it so that for testing purposes, we don't add that to our database. We just show that email has been sent and data will be shown. Uh, so let me copy this and open it in the combinator window without the preview flag. Now that means this session, I will click on the line. I will click on login. Last time for login. So I will just add one that I have. I will click on login. So now the event has been booked. So now if I go to my calendar, you see I have had this booking. So I have added a event. I have added an event to my calendar because the previous flag was not there. So it will show me the person who wants to book and the timing. The timing is as per the time zone. So that was the time zone that you saw here was the time zone of London, and I'm currently in India. So it automatically converts it to my time zone, and it will show the content that is booking, the title of this booking, as the description here. and it will show the email ID to the person who has booked it, which is this person. And it will show has successfully added payment. So this is how uh, we use our Google account authentication. And like I mentioned, we have multiple domains that we use for same code and base. So don't think that these different ones that are we are showing has no connection with the one because they we provide a service where each person our uh, top tier person can have a domain redirected to their particular one. Otherwise, we use this subdomain which redirects to the same code. For example, if I open gcm.hexistudent.com, I will be seeing the same thing. For this person account, when he logs in, he will have his own set of home section, home widgets, the background, the login, and the account by his own account details, the plan that that person has selected, and his personal details, his personal account and type details, and when you click on the revoke button, we just revoke it. We remove it from Google. We call the Google API and we use the revoke to revoke the access, and the data of that person is removed from here. So that's how we use these APIs to add the booking data